up, dog. Right. Lean right.
Not responsible. Boy, you think it's rich as shit. You think this is a game. Goodness. Watch, bitch slap time. Watch.
Chill out.
Fucking watch.
Duck.
Yo! I feel like I'm gonna die.
Oh, yo!
That's another house.
Goodness.
Bruh.
Rich
You
folk.
can barely even see that junk, dog.
Well, you can go up to a certain point.
Did we die?
No.
Did we die? No. I was out to the property. That's the lake again. This is one of the hardest motherfucking turns. There we go. Okay, clear. Okay, now this bitch. I feel like right open.
You got some technical difficulties. We'll be back with you shortly.
Bruh.
The operator, Lindell Parker, will now clear everything. He's getting back in and driving.
Let go! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Another house. This motherfucking weird ass bump.
Woo! That's my life. Look at that house.
Bruh, that black people live there in that bitch.
It's hard to believe.
It's a black dude and a white woman.
Moving up.
That's wild.
Moving on up.
Ding! Yo!
That junk is
Boy, that shit is vicious. You need a front in that bitch, that shit is vicious. Oh, fuck. Here goes the hard part.
Oh, man.
What?
D, look at the turn.
Bruh! How can we even make Pat?
Let's go! Goodness.
Yo, how do we survive that, dog?
Regroup.
You alright?
All the bugs and shit off.
Oh.
Might have some bugs.
Oh.
Yo.
Bruh.
Good.
Phone fell out your pocket and everything, dog.
Everybody good. Everybody good.
Goodness. Going ham.
That was fun. Haven't done that trail in a minute. That's why it looks like that. Everybody ain't going to do it now.
That boy D putting that on Facebook.
You recorded it all?
Yeah, I recorded it all.